Welcome back to the world of PLARAIL. Layouts created with this railway system are traditionally formed of blue plastic tracks laid out on the floor. However, coming from a more traditional railway modelling and 3D printing background, I wanted to do something different with my PLARAIL layout. The 3D printed, Brio-compatible guideway track elements from my first PLARAIL video have been painted a matte grey and laid out on a 2 square metre artificial grass mat purchased from my local model railway store. While at the store, I also picked up a modular 00 gauge platform, as it's roughly the correct size to place alongside PLARAIL trains and track. Continuing the 3D printed theme, my new layout also features custom printed and painted planters, with purchased 00 gauge foliage placed inside. The restaurant building is a long since retired 00 gauge Hornby kit with a custom printed and painted sign representing the popular Caesarea restaurant chain from Japan as a nod to PLARAIL's country of origin. The tunnel is a downloaded print painted to suit the layout. Unlike most model railway tunnels, the track and tunnel are moulded as one element, so the track never shifts relative to the tunnel, which prevents gauging issues creeping in over time. Although the layout is simple, it's not only built for photography, with scenic features strategically placed to create a variety of options when filming, but also completely portable. Thanks to the modular track, simple decorative elements and roll-up grass mat, the entire layout can be assembled and disassembled in less than 5 minutes, then stored in a crate. The robust nature of PLARAIL trains and Brio-compatible track, which I explain more about in a previous video, means that every running session is easy and relaxing, exactly what model railways are meant to be. As the layout and train collection evolves, I'll continue to post new PLARAIL videos, so please like and subscribe for more fun Japanese model rail content in future.